Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encountered an error while saving a file with PowerPoint, then watch this video for the solutions. The first solution is to save the file at a different location. So if I have a PowerPoint presentation and I am trying to save it and it doesn't get saved in the location I want to save it, then I will save it in a different location. So I will save as, say I have saved it in documents but it's not getting saved there. I will save it in the downloads folder and I will click on save. Now if this solution does not work, then what we need to do is we need to use a different app to upload the PowerPoint presentation that we're trying to save and then save it from that app. Now I will use an app, say I will use an app like Canva. All right. Now when I'm on Canva, I'll click upload and I will upload this PowerPoint presentation that I'm trying to save. All right. Now I will open it. And I will click on share and I will click on download and I will click on download and it should save on my computer. Now if that doesn't work or if you don't want to follow this step, then you need to repair and reset the 365 Office suite. We can do that by right clicking on the start button, going to settings and then going to apps, installed apps, and we will look for the 365 suite. 365 and we will click on the three buttons here, go to advanced options, click on repair and wait for the tick button and then click on reset and wait for the tick button. Again we will check with PowerPoint if this file is getting saved or not. It should usually by now get saved after all these steps, but if it doesn't, then we need to reinstall the 365 suite. We can do that by pressing on uninstall in this same panel, apps, installed apps, and clicking on uninstall. And after we uninstall, we go to Microsoft stores, we look for Office 365 here and we will download the required file. Here for me it's already installed, so I will press on get and it should get installed. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.